Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the REST client extension for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about this particular extension, then the VS Code REST client extension allows you to send HTTP requests and view responses directly within the editor. So it basically acts as a runnable documentation for REST APIs, thus making it a convenient tool for testing and interacting with APIs. So let's see how to install this particular extension. So in order to install this, you need to head on to the extensions tab in your Visual Studio's code, or alternatively, you can press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Once you are inside the extensions tab, you need to type in its name. And here you can see that this first extension by Huachen Mao with around 5.7 million downloads is that particular extension. So in order to install this, simply click on the install button and wait for the installation process to begin. But before that, it will ask you if you trust the publisher or not. So in order to proceed, simply click on the trust publisher and install button. And here you can see that the installation has been successfully completed for this particular extension. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.